First of all, we are going to discuss about the basic problem here. A grain is weighing 3000 newtons. So the self weight of this particular grain is given as 3000 newton. Determine the support reactions at A and B at equilibrium condition. You see the diagram. So A and B is here. So the total weight, this 6000 newton, this grain self weight, everything will be compromised by these two supports at A and B. So now we can say that at equilibrium condition, summation Fx will be 0, summation Fy will be 0, the moment about any point will be 0. So basically we should draw the free body diagram. First of all, we have to draw the free body diagram, then analyze what are the things to be considered. What is the thing to be taken for calculating the unknown? So reaction. So reaction at A and B. Okay. So in the basic introduction about the supports, we already know that this is the hinged support, otherwise pinned support. This is the pinned support or hinged support. Okay. So this is a roller support. So we know that for this pinned support, Rx and Ry will be there. So reaction towards X direction is arrested, Y direction is also arrested. So we can say that Rx and Ry will be there. So at A, Rx, okay, Rax and reaction at A, Y. Okay. Then at the point B. So here what support is here? Roller support is here. So it is arranged in the vertical position. Now we can say that this Y is not arrested because roller is there. Only X is arrested. Yes? Y is not arrested. Only X is arrested. So we can say that on B X. No or B Y. Y is not arrested. With these three support, only with these three support reactions, we are balancing, we are making this structure in the equilibrium condition. Okay. Now, this thing you have to consider 300 Newton. This will be at in the centroid point. It is also given in the diagram. 3000 Newton. Okay, free body diagram. So now a triangle, shape is a triangle A, B. So this you can take the C. Okay. This is 6000 Newton. This is the vertical force, so no need to do any resolving. Horizontal, vertical. Inclined force means we have to do some resolution. Now, this is a point G. Here, 3000 Newton is acting. This distance is very important because for calculating the moment. This is 6 meter. This is 10 meter. Now, another thing is these supports. So here, roller support, only X reaction. So R, B, X. R, B towards X. We already know this. Here X and Y is there. X and Y is there. So this will be, we are taking towards a positive direction. R, A, X. R, A, Y. Okay. After calculating everything, we have already taken all these reactions in the positive directions. X towards positive, Y and also towards positive. If you are getting the negative answer means, this will be towards the opposite side. If you are taking Rx here and getting the negative answer means Rx will be towards leftward. If you are taking Ry towards upward direction, while calculating everything, if you got the negative answer means Ray will be downward. So that we can conclude later. So now we can do the problem here. So R is this point, Rx is there, Ry is there. So in the point B, only RBX is there. Okay, horizontal 1, 2. Two horizontals are unknown. Okay, we should know that RAX unknown, RBX is unknown. Vertical 3, not 300. This is 3000. 3000 is unknown. 6000 is also known. RAO is unknown. So first of all, we can do the apply the condition. Summation Fy is equal to 0. At equilibrium condition, summation Fy is equal to 0. The upward is taken as positive, right? You can apply here. So what are the vertical forces? 3000, 6000 and RAO. That's it. So these two things are towards downward direction. So minus 3000 minus 6000. This is towards positive plus or A towards Y equal to 0. Correct? Y. Only Y direction is taken. Right? Now R A Y is equal to 9000 Newton. This is calculated. Right? So now we know the value for R A Y, that is 9000. Now two unknowns are there. So reaction AX is there, reaction at RB X is there. X and O. X at A and B. Okay. Now what we can do is we can take some moments. Moment about any point you can take. Now listen to me. If you are taking moment about this point, what will happen? You can take this summation Fx equal to 0, but two horizontal forces are unknown. We can't able to evaluate any answer from that. That's why we are moving to another point. We know that at equilibrium condition, the moment about any point will be 0. The moment about any point will be 0. Consider, if you are taking moment about this point, only Bx will be gone. Bx will be gone. But you can't able to get the. So if you are calculating moment about this point, Bx will be gone. Y is also will be gone. So Ax will be there. Okay. So this is passing through. So moment calculation, the distance will be 0. You can leave all those things. So you can calculate the moment about the point. This is 5, right? So you can calculate the moment about the point A or the moment about the point B. Anything you can take. So in moment about the point A. Okay, I am taking moment about the point A. So the moment about point A or AX is passing through 0. RAY is also passing through the point, so no moment will be created by these two reaction forces. Now RBX, because of this reaction force, the moment will be possible for RA. Okay. Now A point, this is clockwise direction, minus RBX into what is the vertical distance? 5. Okay. Next 3000 Newton. This is in the clockwise. 3000 minus 3000. Sorry, this RBX is in anti-clockwise direction, so this is positive. Sorry, 3000 is clockwise, and this is taken. The distance is taken as 6 meter. It is given here 6 meter horizontal distance. Now this vertical force 6000 is acting in the downward direction, so this is 16. Now from this point A. This is clockwise direction. So again, minus 6000 into this distance 16. From the point A, 3000 is acting 6. This is 16. Now you can see that moment about the point is equal to 0. Right? So 0 is equal to this, all these things implies we will get the value for RBX. So 0 is equal to RBX into 5 plus 3000 into 6 minus, this is also minus 6000 into 16. So while calculating, you will get the answer for RBX. Okay? While calculating, you will get the answer for RBX is 21,000. 21,000 Newton. RBX is 21,000 Newton. Now reaction at A, Y, BX is over. Only unknown thing will be A, Y is over, B, X is over. Only A, Y, X you want to calculate. So AX is here. You can consider the horizontal forces. Summation Fx equal to 0. What is summation of X? This. Only two forces are there. On two reaction forces. RAX plus RBX. Both the things are towards a positive direction. Equal to 0. Now you can substitute this 21,000 here. RAX plus 21,000 1000 is equal to 0 or Ax equal to minus 21,000 Newton. So this is a very important place you have to concentrate. Now we took Rax towards the positive direction, but the answer is minus 21,000. So Rax equal to 21,000 Newton, but the direction is leftward. Okay, with this we can complete this. But another thing is Rbx, Rax and Ry is there. So here no problem. This is only the resultant will be along horizontal. Here two forces are there, horizontal and vertical force is there. We have to resolve into the components, right? R is equal to, resultant is equal to root of R A point, Rax, horizontal square plus Ray square. Equal to root of Rax value is 21,000 whole square plus Ray is 9,000 whole square. You got the resultant answer is 22,847.3 Newton. This is the resultant reaction force at the point A. We calculated horizontal, vertical. Now we are making to the inclined reaction. Theta is equal to tan inverse of vertical by horizontal. What is vertical? Ray. What is horizontal? Rax. So if you are substituting, you will get the answer 23.19 degrees. So here we can conclude that at this point roller support on Bx is horizontal. At this point horizontal is there, vertical is there. We are resolved into the single reaction force at an angle of 23.19 degree. 23.19 degree. Okay. Thank you.